video.
Yes, video is on.
Yeah.
Start video here.
Video में unmute केलं.
Hello.
Yes. Another 8 minutes.
Are you able to hear me? Restart.
Restart होगा
Restart. Hello. 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 Yes. Okay. So I'll continue with what my screen is shared. You are able to, yes, I'm audible also. That's good. So I will continue with the sums what we did last time. Will you try this, please? You have to get the values of A and B. 1 plus I upon 1 minus I bracket square is equal to A plus BI. See, either way you can do in the LHS, inside the bracket you can multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Did you solve that? Both the brackets, 1 minus I. See, you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. You have to make the denominator real. So 1 minus I, the conjugate would be 1 plus I. So I am multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus I. Oh, you want to see the question? Wait, this is a question. 1 plus I upon 1 minus I bracket square. Should I show it to you? You know, a plus b bracket square in the numerator, it is 1 square plus 1 into 2 into I plus I square, which is minus 1. So this will cancel with this. Correct? And denominator में a plus b, a minus b. So 1 का square minus I का square is minus 1. And this entire thing का square है. So ये 2 होगा, so this 2 will cancel with this 2. So ये होगा I square, which is minus 1. So it is minus 1, there is no term of I. So it is plus 0I is a plus bi. Correct? That gives you the value of a as minus 1, the value of b as 0. All of you got it? Meet? You have got the value of b as 1. Can you please check? Okay. Anybody? Oh, you got it correct, Ashwath. Very good. Tuhin, this chapter will be completed on Thursday, probably, from HSC point of view. Very good, Soham. When is your exam? I think Tuhin, you asked this. So when is your unit test, college test or something? Next week? Okay, we will have completed before that. And once we complete, no, you will not have to do any kind of practice. You will know it perfectly well. Please try this. A plus bi. You want to try first or should I show you? Yes, Lohit, April 2nd week, I understood. They are already the conjugates of each other, so you don't have to, just LCM is enough. This is 6 plus 15i plus 4i, so that comes to 19i plus 2i into 5i, so it will be 10i square is minus 1. So that's the answer of the first. Plus the second one, 2 3s are 6, minus 15 minus 4 will give you minus 19i, minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10, I square is again negative 1. It is 5, it is not 9. This you mean? This is 5 only. A plus b, a minus b. So it is 2 ka square minus 5i ka square. So this is 6 plus 6, 12 minus 20. So it is minus 8. And 19i will cancel with minus 19i. Plus it is going to be 0i upon 2 square is 4, minus 5 square is 25, I square is minus 1. So it's going to be 29. So this upon 29, this upon 29. That gives you the value of A as minus 8 by 29. Value of B is 0. Check your answer. Somebody's got -9 upon Pranav Bakshi. Will you please check your answer better? Yes, Om, you're right. Typing mistake, that's okay. -√5. Five I square is not 0. I didn't say that, Soham. Five I square is not 0. You want me to explain how to get the square of 5i? Wait. See, it is 5i. The whole square is 5 square into I square, which is 25 into -1, which is -25. Okay. So what I have done here now, ये है 4 and ये है -25. So 4 minus -25 will give you 4 plus 25, which is 29. Om, are you clear about that? Om? I got 0 in the numerator because 99 got cancelled with -99. So 0 by 29 will give me 0. Okay? Now you are going to do this. Yeah. You know, square root of -4, do you remember it is 4 into -1? So square root of 4 is 2, square root of -1 is I, plus 1 minus square root of -9 is 3i. A plus B into A. Achha, you want the time? Okay, solve it. So these are the terms with I, A and A. Nine I squared, this is going to be -1. So -1 into -9 will be +9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 minus √5. ऐसा आएगा वो. $13 कैसे आया? So ये real part is equal to ये real part. And ये imaginary part is equal to imaginary part. So the value of A, 14 minus √5, and value of b is going to be 1. Some number. I think this we had done last time, 4i raised to 8. I remember having done. The exercise में नहीं लिया था. ये कॉलेज एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सम है. Show that this is a real number. Prove it. You want the time to try or should I show you? Okay, try. A plus B bracket क्यूब कर लेना. All of you finished? No, I have a mixed question bank sort of. Only textbook से है, थोड़े बाहर से भी है. Yes, yes. You can try first. Huh? I'm just writing the steps. You are welcome, Shruti. You have to check whether your answer is 8, which is real. Yes, yes, yes. A plus B bracket cube. You know how we remember पहले का cube plus दूसरे का cube plus 3 into पहला into दूसरा into bracket जैसे के वैसा. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. So इसका क्यूब है -1, इसका क्यूब है I का क्यूब एंड √3 का क्यूब is 3√3. Then ये तीनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है प्लस इंटू माइनस करके -3√3i इंटू ये ब्रैकेट जैसे कि वैसा. I cube is -i. So first two terms are over. Now ये into ये is minus plus 3√3i. Minus into plus is minus. √3 into √3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. I square is -1. So ये हो गया +9. and ये है -1. So 8 is the answer, which is real. At the end, obviously, you will be writing hence proof. All of you have got it? Oh, you won't got the second step. कौन सा वाला बेटा? Aditya? AQ plus BQ plus 3AB into A plus B. Apurva? Yes, I can scroll up. Yes. देखो. Bolo Harshavardhan, your doubt is clear. Whatever you wanted to see, you could. Apurva, you can ask me your doubt. Apurva. Okay, Harshavardhan is saying yes, done. Okay, welcome. Apurva, you are saying I want. Yeah, second step is the formula. Yes, A plus B bracket cube. I didn't understand the real number part. Kushal, the term which is free of I will be real. In the form A plus BI we are writing. Whatever is free of I, that is part A, that is the real part. You have to prove it's a real number, means you have to prove there is no I in that. There is no imaginary number in that. After that, the steps. कौन सा चाहिए? Kushal, I am not able to understand what you are asking, beta. I didn't understood the real number part. मतलब 8, how is it real? ये. इसके बाद steps है ही नहीं. Hence proved. Sum is over. Kushal, please be more clear, beta, in asking the doubt, because I'm not able to understand. Oh, okay. Are you sure your doubt is clear? Yes, I can write the formula. The formula is A plus B. You know how I remember? It is पहले का क्यूब प्लस दूसरे का क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू पहला इंटू दूसरा इंटू जैसे के वैसा. ये ब्रैकेट वैसा ही रखो. Yeah. Yes, Apurva, you are right. Understood? Om. So here A is -1 and B is I root 3. All right? Instead of remembering that 3A square B and 3AB square, ये बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, great. Chalo, then I will start. Means I will give you time to, if the cube root of the equation is 8. Oh, thank you. Cube of the equation, that x cube is 8, you mean, na? See, if x cube is 8, na beta, it is going to have 3 roots, out of which one is going to be real and the other 2 are going to be imaginary. All right. Okay, thank you. All right. अगर यहाँ माइनस है तो भी वैसे लिखना, a minus b ब्रैकेट क्यूब ऐसे. पहले का क्यूब माइनस दूसरे का क्यूब माइनस 3 इंटू पहला इंटू दूसरा इंटू जैसे के वैसा. Okay. So whether it is a plus b bracket cube or a minus b bracket cube, you will learn the formula well. Okay. I'll give you the next sum now. Find 3 plus 2 upon I raised to 6 minus I raised to 7, 1 plus I raised to 11. Go ahead. See, for CET, you must have learned for JEE, 1 by I is minus I. Everybody must be already knowing. But here, you'll have to show like that. Yeah. See, when I'm teaching you for this, what do you say, HSC, na? I'm taking some, which are relevant to that only. I have got big bag of questions, but you have to see for what you're teaching and leave the questions accordingly. Because, then you will be touching all types of questions and you will know how to write the answers to those questions. I is I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I raised to 4 is plus 1, and any power of I can be expressed in terms of these 4. Simple. Here I have rationalized. So this is 3, I square being minus 1. So 2I upon minus 1. So this will be 3. Are you trying? I raised to 4 is plus 1. I square is minus 1. I raised to 4 is plus 1. I cube is minus I. So minus of minus I. Somebody's got the answer right. You can just multiply. This into this is minus 1. This into this is plus I. So it is 2I. Plus into minus is minus. I square is minus 1. So ये और ये cancel होगा because plus 1 and minus 1. This into this is 6I. Minus into plus is minus. 4I square is minus 1. So this is going to be 4 plus 6I is equal to A plus BI. That gives you the value of A as 4, value of B as 6. Yes, Yash has got it right. Tuhim got it right. Aditya got it right. I think Shriya also wrote. Many people have got the answer. Tuhim wrote in the form of A plus BI. That's okay because I had not said that what is the value of A and what is the value of B. I had not asked that. So you could leave there also or you could write comparing it with what you have to see the question and write the answer accordingly. Correct? Anybody who's still solving? I can wait, otherwise done. Anybody else? You can tell me to wait, otherwise I'll go to the next sum. Because here, more number of sums you solve, you don't have to practice this chapter at all, even before the exam. Now I am giving you evaluate के लिए, I am giving you 4 sums. You will be doing all on your own. You want time or I should explain? Fine, fine. You can take. Somebody got it right. First answer. One upon I raised to 58 is the question. You can do it in any form. Huh? Your final answer should be right. ऐसे किया वैसे किया कैसे भी करो, no problem. I'm multiplying numerator and denominator by I. Yeah, I fourth to 1 है, 1 raised to 9 is 1. I square is minus. Got it? ऐसे भी लिखो, no, I raised to 1. ये है I square raised to 46. I raised to 1 is I. I square is minus 1. So minus 1 raised to even number is plus 1. So your answer is I. All of you getting it? I square is negative 1. I fourth is 1. So ye 1 raised to any power is going to be 1. Minus 1. You got it? Please check your answers. Meet has written 1 minus I minus 1. Somebody wrote, Acha Soham, you got the last answer as I. Would you please explain minus I? How is that? Yes, minus 1 is the right answer. Yes. Typo error, no problem. I raised to 30 plus I raised to 40. Yeah, this chapter is in 11, but you will need that in the engineering also. And JEE में भी लगेगा ये. सारे तुम लोग आई स्क्वायर में भी लिख सकते हैं. आई स्क्वायर रेज टू 15 कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. तो अपना आई स्क्वायर है -1. -1 रेज टू ऑड, -1 रेज टू इवन, -1 रेज टू ऑड, -1 रेज टू इवन. -1 रेज टू ऑड इज -1. ये है इवन मतलब +1, ये है -1, ये है +1. So answer is 0. Correct? All these sums you understood? Then I am taking your 5 minutes test abhi. 7A ये test है. Evaluate. Next is this you will do on your own. Huh? I'll give you 5-10 minutes. You can try also, no problem. Because खुद करोगे ना तो हो गया एक बार. Then show that 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 100 minus I raised to 1000 is 0. And finally, evaluate I raised to 592 plus I raised to 590 plus I raised to 588 plus I raised to 586 plus I raised to 584 divided by chalo. I'm giving you 5 to 6 minutes. I think that should be enough. 5 to 10 minutes in between that. If you finish earlier, fine. But please write the steps and do. Huh? Go ahead. People have written answers, then they have got it right also, I say. Let everybody complete, then I will discuss. पहले का आंसर 1 एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, दूसरे का आंसर -2 एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, तीसरा तो शो दैट ही है, राइट? एंड 592 वाला उसका आंसर -1 है. You people are so brilliant, super. Just showing you the solutions now for those who did not get 7A. Let me check the sum. I raised to 14 तुम लोग ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ये ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. I square -1 है. Are you getting? ये दिया ही नहीं ना मैंने, हाँ दिया है, ये B है, not A. I square is -1. -1 raised to odd is -1, no, obviously. So this is going to be 1, -1, -1, -1. तो ये तो गया इसके साथ. I showed B first. Huh? अभी A दिखाना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. वन प्लस I square up to I raised to 20 है. इन शॉर्ट ये क्या है, I square है -1. देन I raised to 4 होगा, इसके आगे वाला दो का फर्क से है ना, करेक्ट? I raised to 4 is this. Then yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. I raised to 6 आएगा -1 and so on. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term ऐसे करके I raised to 18 होगा -1, I raised to 20 होगा +1. Correct? Yes, answer is 1. Correct. So ये सारे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 2 and 4 के साथ, 6 and 8 के साथ, 10 and 12 के साथ, 14 and 16 के साथ, and 18 and 20 के साथ. मतलब this will cancel with this. So ये जो पहला वाला 1 है वही बचेगा. That's your answer. SN of a GP चलेगा. So 7A the answer is 1, 7B the answer is -2. 7C तो प्रूव ही करना था, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. So 7C का I will directly write LHS done ना. I raised to 10 मतलब ऐसे लिखा, I raised to 100 मतलब ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. ये माइनस है ना आगे का. I raised to 1000 है ना. I square -1 है. So -1 raised to odd, -1 raised to even है, -1 raised to even है. ये 1, ये -1 होगा, ये तो +1 होगा, -1 raised to even. ये भी +1 है, but ये with minus sign है, तो ये कैंसिल. Your RHS hence proof. Correct? And D, ये वाला सब. So in D, did you realize that 584 can be taken common in the numerator? You can take I raised to 584 common, वो भी चलेगा. 92 है ना? So ये आएगा I raised to 8 plus I raised to 6 plus I raised to 4 plus I raised to 2. And नीचे I raised to 574 common लेगा. Again, do you realize it is the same bracket? Huh? Indice is simple. तो ये तो कैंसिल होगा. तो ये आया मेरा I raised to 10. वो है I square raised to 5 -1 raised to odd. So your answer is -1. Okay. All of you got it right? Yes? Very good. I'm so happy you people are very well prepared. Nothing to worry. I'll give you sum number 8. If x plus iy is a plus bi the whole cube, then prove that x upon a plus y upon b is 4 into a. Ashwath, very good. You are saying you got all right. ये prove करना है अपने को. And the power of -1 or I square is odd. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely correct. इतना ही याद रखो. -1 raised to odd, ये -1 है. -1 raised to even, ये +1 है. Just for your information. It has got nothing to do with sum number 8. Welcome. All of you have understood all sub questions of 6 and 7. Great. Super. Approved already. Very good, Pranav. Everybody wants time, so I did not even start. LHS वैसे के वैसा कॉपी किया. अभी जैसे मैंने बोला RHS में क्यूब है, so it is पहले का क्यूब प्लस दूसरे का क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू पहला इंटू दूसरा इंटू जैसे के वैसा. पहला है A, दूसरा है BI. A BI जैसे के वैसा ब्रैकेट A plus BI. So your x plus iy is a cube plus b cube I cube plus 3abi into a plus bi. I cube is minus I. इसका मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3a into a is a square bi Plus into plus is plus 3a, b into b is b square, I square. I'm showing you detail में एकदम. This is a term free of I, this is a term free of I, because I square is going to be -1. So ये change होगा. If you want, I can write one more step. A cube minus 3ab square. Minus sign किया क्योंकि I square is -1. अभी ये जो दो terms है, they are with I. So उसमें से अगर I common निकालोगे, so आएगा 3a square b minus b cube. So real part you will equate with real. Coefficient of I you will equate with coefficient of I. So your x is going to be ये part, इसमें a common है. It is a square minus 3b square implies is x upon a is a square minus 3b square. And अभी ये दोनों में b is common. Y upon b is 3a square minus b square. ये आया मेरा x upon है, ये आया मेरा y upon b. अभी ऐड कर लो. Therefore, x upon a plus y upon b is a square minus 3b square. ये क्या है बेटा? तुमने कुछ You mean are you saying a cube plus b cube का formula? हाँ? Got this? Everybody got this? Rutuja, are you saying a cube plus b cube का formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square? That is not bracket cube, huh? You want me to write that identity? A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the other one is a cube minus b cube. Here the other one. If you want, you can take the identities. It's clear. Clear. Very good. Can I give you the next term? If sum number 9, I guess, no? X plus IY is square root of A plus IB upon C plus ID. Prove that x square plus y square bracket square is a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. करो. You want 5 minutes to try? I can give you. Or I can start directly, as you say. Okay, I can wait, no problem. It's worth trying. Always try every sum on your own first. I'll give you time. Take 3-4 minutes, no problem. See what I'm doing now. What I'm doing is what is given. I'm squaring both sides. तो मैंने स्क्वायर किया. So a plus b ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर क्या है? पहले का स्क्वायर प्लस दूसरे का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू पहला इंटू दूसरा. एंड यहाँ अपने को रैशनलाइज करना पड़ेगा डिनोमिनेटर. c माइनस आई डी से ऊपर नीचे यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई c प्लस आई डी इंटू c माइनस आई डी. सो ये है एक्स स्क्वायर, ये है आई स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर. आई स्क्वायर तो -1 होगा, तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy इंटू आई. तो मैंने रियल एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट सेपरेट किया ऑलरेडी. वेरी गुड. सो इट इज ए सी माइनस ए आई डी ये प्लस बी सी आई. सो आई टेकन कॉमन, ए आएगा बी सी माइनस ए डी. Plus into minus is minus BD I square. I square is -1 upon पहले का स्क्वायर माइनस दूसरे का स्क्वायर. इट इज डी स्क्वायर आई स्क्वायर. आई स्क्वायर इज -1, सो माइनस डी स्क्वायर आएगा. I into I is AC plus BD upon ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गए C स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर. ये क्या है? I वाला पार्ट सेपरेट, BC minus AD I into होगा बहुत C square plus D square. That will give you x square minus y square as AC plus BD upon C square plus D square, and 2xy is BC minus AD upon C square plus D square. Abhi, do you know that x square plus y square, the whole square will be x square minus y square the whole square. देखो इसका मिलता होगा प्लस 2x square y square, इसका होगा माइनस 2x square y square. सो माइनस 2 को अगर मैं 4x square y square ऐड करूं, तुम लोगों को 9th स्टैंडर्ड में एक आइडेंटिटी था. हाँ यहाँ ना, यस यस, इक्वल टू साइन. हाँ, यू गॉट इट. ये आइडेंटिटी एवरीबडी नोज. सो अभी यही यूज करो, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर उसका स्क्वायर है. सो ये है AC प्लस BD अपॉन C स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर, ये अंदर का है रेज टू 2. एंड व्हाट इज 4x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर? डोंट यू थिंक इसका स्क्वायर है? 2xy का स्क्वायर है. सो इट इज BC माइनस AD अपॉन C स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर, इसका स्क्वायर है ये, राइट? तो अब ये ओनली सिंप्लीफिकेशन है और कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. ओनली सिंप्लीफाइड है. सो दिस इज A स्क्वायर C स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर D स्क्वायर प्लस 2ABCD. ये बीच में प्लस है इसलिए मैं सब ऐड ही करें. B स्क्वायर C स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर D स्क्वायर माइनस 2ABCD. सबका डिनोमिनेटर तो कॉमन ही है. C square plus D square the whole square. So this will cancel with this. अभी A square वाले कौन कौन टर्म है? ये एंड ये. तो A square कॉमन into bracket C square plus D square प्लस ये दोनों में B square कॉमन, D square plus C square, करेक्ट, अपॉन C square plus D square the whole square. तो अगर एक बार ये C square plus D square आप कॉमन निकालोगे न्यूमरेटर से, सो ये आता है A square plus B square अपॉन यू हैव C square plus D square का स्क्वायर है, मतलब 2 बार है, एक बार तो ये कैंसिल होगा. सो ये A square plus B square अपॉन C square plus D square is equal to, ये क्या था देखो, ये है x square plus y square the whole square. Hence proved. Okay. See, I'll scroll it up पहले and एक बार देख लो बराबर से. You have to prove that x plus iy is root of this. You have to prove this. So जो दिया हुआ है I squared both sides. तो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab ऊपर नीचे रैशनलाइज किया. Then I square is -1, तो ये हो गया मेरा माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट लिया मैंने. Then I separated real parts, imaginary parts. You want zoom in? एक मिनट. Okay.
Oh.
ऊपर दिखाती हूँ. Real parts, imaginary parts. You must be knowing all these identities. Now, a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is twice of a square plus b square. And if you have a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is 4ab. Yeah, identities are this you must be knowing already, na? School level में कभी तो किया होगा. Sometimes you need, you know. Okay. Chalo then. But next time we will do a few sums and then we'll start with square roots. Okay, how to find the square roots. Can I give you 2-3 sums for homework and then we'll. Okay, Achha, somebody has already said bye-bye. I'll give you 2-3 sums for homework. Wait. Homework. A plus bi is 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. Prove that. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा simple है. A square plus b square is 1. But ये ना college के exams के समझो. Show that root 7 plus I root 3 is real. And एक ऐसे खुद को ट्राई करने के लिए if x plus I y अभी जो किया ना वो टाइप का ही है is u plus vi. Prove that x by u है sorry x upon u अरे वही करते थे x plus I y the whole cube is u plus vi. This is given. Prove that x upon u plus b upon y for x square minus y square. बस ये भी ट्राई कर लो. Okay? They're similar to both. Yes. I'm covering everything, Rutuja. Don't worry. Okay? Chalo, thank you so much. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye. Yes.